you're new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications. Throw me a thumbs up and leave a question or comment below so that way I know who you are. What's wrong with you?
Where you been the last couple days, huh?
Almost spilled my beer.
Where'd you go?
Looking for stuff. But I got stuff to do tonight anyway. I'm trying to make a YouTube video, so. So you got cold beer or what? No, I don't have a cold beer for you. How's everybody doing tonight? Once again, we're back out here in the shop working on the welding table. Just asking for a cold beer. You know what? Get out of here. I got things to do. Go away. I didn't want your help tonight anyway. It's really standing to work on your hospitality skills, you know. Hey, you got any toilet paper? Toilet paper? Yeah, toilet paper, you know. No, we don't have any toilet paper. We're out. Remember, I used it the other day. But I got something for you. I got something I'll fix you right up. I got it right here, man. So what they call this is they call this the power deuce. So you're always looking for stuff with more power. You go do your business and chuck this in the drill. Now I'll clean her out for you. Make sure you run around the water and rinse it off when you're done. Are you sure? It'll be fun. Try it out. I got it just for you, man. Don't worry, it'll work. Can I at least have a beer? Yeah, you can have a beer. There's one over there on the bench. Thanks.